In the last video, we talked about what TypeScript is and why it's useful. Now, let's understand how it actually works. So here's the main idea. Computers and browsers don't understand TypeScript. They only understand JavaScript. That means when we write code in TypeScript, we can't just run it directly in a browser or on a server. What we need to do is convert our TypeScript code into regular JavaScript. This step is called compilation. Let me explain that word. Compilation simply means changing code from one language into another, in this case from TypeScript into JavaScript. So when you write something like this in TypeScript, ts let age number equals 12, console.log age, TypeScript takes that code and removes the extra type information. It creates plain JavaScript like this, js let age equals 12, console log age each. Now this JavaScript can be run by any browser or any JavaScript environment. So what's really happening behind the scenes? When you save your TypeScript file, which usually ends with .ts, you run a tool called the Typescript Compiler. This compiler checks your code for errors. It makes sure everything is correct, like are you using the right data types, are you calling functions the right way, and so on. If everything is fine, the compiler then creates a new file that ends with .js. That's your regular JavaScript file. You can use that file to run your program just like any other JavaScript code. This whole process, this writing in TypeScript, checking for errors, and turning it into JavaScript, happens before your code actually runs. So TypeScript is not replacing JavaScript. It's a smarter way to write JavaScript. You write in TypeScript, it gets checked, then it's turned into clean JavaScript. That's how TypeScript works. You might wonder, do I need to do this manually every time? No. Once you set up TypeScript on your computer, it can watch your files and automatically compile them whenever you save.